Okay, it looks like you provided 3 slightly different takes or possibly concatenated segments of an intro script for a YouTube video about cellular biology, personified through a character named Moto. Here's a breakdown of what's happening and the common core elements in all versions. Channel welcome. Each segment starts with a welcome back to our channel or similar greeting. Topic introduction. The video is about the fascinating world of cells, cellular mechanics, or science and technology focused on the cell. Main character Moto, an adventurer, hero, or explorer, lands gracefully on a giant strand of actin filament, has a confident swagger. His bell jingles with his steps. Cellular environment, glowing Moto Cyclin variants regulate movement on microtubule highways. The background is teeming or buzzing with animated organelles. The observer cat, a curious cat, watches Moto's adventure with gleaming eyes. Closing call to action, a remark about how fascinating the world is. A thank you for joining. A request to like, share, and subscribe. A sign off. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Observations and potential interpretation. Repetitive drafts. These are likely different attempts at writing the same intro, or perhaps one version was edited into another, and you pasted them together. The core narrative and imagery are almost identical. Creative personification. The script uses personification Moto as an adventurer, Cyclins as Moto Cyclin variants to make complex cellular processes more engaging and understandable, especially for a general audience. Visual storytelling. The language is very visual, glowing, teeming, animated, gleam in his eyes, which is perfect for a video format. Channel branding. The curious cat might be a channel mascot or a recurring element that represents the audience's curiosity. The bell jingles gives Moto a distinct auditory characteristic. Slight variations in emphasis. The first version mentions Moto and his friends. The second focuses on specifically the Moto as the topic. The third highlights the cat as the star of the show. What this script is trying to achieve. Engagement. Make cellular biology fun and exciting. Education simplified. Introduce concepts like actin filaments, microtubules, and cyclins in an accessible way. Channel growth. Encourage audience interaction like share, subscribe. It's a fun and creative approach to science communication. The repetition suggests you're probably trying to refine the perfect opening. The ending of the first snippet, welcome back to our channel, and the beginning of the third snippet, back to our exciting series, indicate these were likely run together from different editing points.